A warm good morning to all of you. I, Dr. Robin Chopra, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiotherapy at RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Village Bastada, Karnal. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. But before watching, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon. So let's start the topic. So we are continuing our topic, that is with the muscular system. So the step 2 involves the neurotransmitter which causes the muscle cells membranes, the gates to open, as the step 3 involves the ionic exchanges which take places and mainly cause in the sarcoplasmic reticulum to release the calcium ions. And the last step involves the release of the calcium ions which starts the muscle contraction as the actin filaments slide past the myosin filaments. So now coming to the next topic, that is what are the sliding filament theory of the muscle contraction. As the sliding filament model represents a muscle contraction when the thin filament in the muscle fibers is sliding over the thick filament which is activated by the ATP or the adenosine triphosphate and the calcium ions, and an influx of the calcium ion causes the thick myosin filaments to form the cross bridges with the thin filament by exposing the binding sites on actin. As I already told, the myosin head is attracted towards the F actin site to form a actin myosin complex. And in the second step, the cross bridges change shapes as it pulls on the filaments which slides towards the center of the sarcomere in the power stroke, and the distance between the Z line decreases, causing the shortening of the muscles. In the third step, the cross bridges detach from the actin filament when ATP bonds to myosin heads. As in this, the ATP is degraded into ADP and pi and free energy. And in the fourth step, the myosin heads get ready to bond to actin again using the ATP energy. So guys, hope so you all understand very well. And for more information, please stay tuned, stay healthy, happy. Till then, take care, goodbye, farewell. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon. So till then, take care.